Hey guys, thank you for joining me for yet another video. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana and I post skincare and lifestyle videos. So if you like that type of content, please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss when I post. Now today's video is all about maskne. Maskne is basically acne formed on your skin from wearing a mask for prolonged periods. It happens due to the friction that wears away the skin's natural barrier, making it more vulnerable to irritation and infection. Wearing a mask for too long can also cause your pores to be clogged, more so if you're wearing makeup beneath. So in today's video, I am going to be collaborating with my sister Lisa France Cummings, also known as Beat Face Prissy, to show you how you can still look glam while wearing a mask. So I'm gonna hand things over to her right now to show you that tutorial. Well, I trust that that tutorial was very helpful for you, and also do remember to cleanse your face in the morning and in the evening when you get home from work. And if you ever have to take off your mask, you know, just to breathe, or if you hop in your car and you're alone, just remember to store your mask in a clean, safe place. Don't just throw it on a passenger seat beside you, or rest it in the glove compartment or in your purse next to money and all that other stuff. It is going to pick up germs and bacteria, and it will transfer to your face, causing you to have more breakouts. So aside from not wearing makeup under your mask, ensure to keep it clean, store it in a clean, safe place, and remember to wear a fresh one every day so as to keep your skin nice and clean and acne free. So thank you for watching, and thanks again to my sister.